FEC number 123. 101 tootin'. They got some great power on this train. 101, not 101, but Dominic caught it up there. It passed by him. He's late though. He is late. They dropped off the GP 38 or 40. I think it was GP 40. But they dropped it off. But they rolling like CSX style, baby. Look at this. And no, 104. Long head forward with his headlights burning. Yeah, they probably still had them on when they were doing, when they were switching some stuff. So they hop in 104, and they hop in 101, and they will hop in 104, and then they hop in 101. So yeah, I guess that's what they did. International Transit. Check this out. All the Herzog. Some colorful ones in there too. Alright, EOT flying by me at 12:49. Stay tuned for FEC's number 109. Hey, that rhymed.